is a project where we've got a group of scientists from British universities led by University of Portsmouth with Brunel University and University College London, and we're looking at the impacts of Hurricane Maria, Category 5 most severe hurricane, on the landscape. Dominica is known as the nature island of the Caribbean. It's got wall-to-wall jungle, waterfalls, volcanoes, hot springs. It's a fantastic island. The thing is, it might have too much nature. It's got the volcanic eruptions, it's got the steep slopes, it's got a lot of jungle, it's got a lot of hurricane damage potentially.
We had a very good washdown. Yeah, we had a very good washdown. Whereas our avalanche or our waterfall would be this 2 inches of water or 2 inches of rain. Because I kept rain data, I kept a lot of data, seismic and much more. You know, I mean, I just love Earth. You look at this would have been my walkway from down here, and what scared me the most was when I heard the impact indoors and decided to walk and see. I could not cross that and thought this femur would have been too weak. This is new. This is new. This is new. I mean, I would not construct with this at the back of my house.
So you were in the house when this impacted?
I was in there.
Oh,
I was in there.
Terrifying.
It came down. I mean, look at it. Let us explore for what it is worth. You have a water map. So it actually sailed in, but then it docked.
This is probably one of the most dangerous landslides in Dominica. You can see back there you've got the road, the narrow road. It's dropped down into the valley. But down here, what's really worrying is there's a whole series of water ponded up. And that is only going to start to lubricate the landslide, and it will go right the way down to the village and the commercial area near Canefield Airport. There's a drain been put in down here, which is good, but I think you need a lot of drainage to start to solve this problem. There should never be any water there at all standing, and yet you have a small lake. That's a really, really bad sign.
The weather channel went off the day before the hurricane, so we couldn't even track it. We got out, we focused, like, as soon as we had a lull, because my roof went, you know, some object came and hit the roof and the zinc went. All the rafters stayed. So we were in a corridor on the 2 mattresses, right? During that whole time, wet for about 4 to 5 hours. I expect roofs and houses to go, but to wake up and see the entire landscape just totally changed.
The surveys of the landslides, the debris flows, the damage to the houses and infrastructure, they've gone very well as well. It's been very well received. We've got engineers and geologists out here doing these surveys. Some people survived in amazing circumstances. Unfortunately, some people lost members of their family, and there were lots of fatalities around the island. But the stories we've heard about how people were helping out, sheltering other people, organising things to get people to shelters and so on. It's a tough group of people here on Dominica.